Yeah. Que baixo. Daddy. Oh, do you have a sneeze? Do you have a sneeze stop? I know, it's very annoying. Okay.